In this new stuff, we're going to be talking about updates to on-demand cross-cluster live migration that allows you to select the container name while you're moving the VM. This is feat 14568. So historically with cross-cluster live migration, you would select the virtual machine to live migrate across to a different cluster. And there was a prerequisite that the storage container need to be named identically on both the source and the target clusters. If this was not the case, it was a strict naming convention, so if it was not the case, the migration would fail. In this update and moving forward, we're allowing a new feature that allows you to map between the source cluster, the source container, and then you get to choose the target storage container you would like to locate it on. This works both via the UX and via v4 APIs. The default behavior is it will automatically try to pick the matching storage container like it has historically, but in the UX it allows you to use the dropdown and make that choice, and then it's an option in the API when you make the call. This is currently just for on-demand cross-cluster live migrations, which I'll explain a bit more in the upcoming slides. All right, so let's take a quick look at how we accomplish this. So the process to start a cross-cluster live migration would be the same. You'd select your virtual machine, you go up to the Actions menu, you choose Migrate, and then say Across Clusters. And then in the form that you would normally see, you'll now see what is shown in the graphic on the screen, where there's a section for mapping from the source storage container to the destination storage container. So as I mentioned before, the default behavior is it will look to match the source container name. And then if you would like to declare a different one, then you can choose from the drop down, and it will present you with all the options available on the target cluster to choose the storage container for you. So let's take a brief look at what it takes to realize this new feature. So we are providing the ability to select the target container during a cross-cluster live migration. To get these new features, you will need the following software versions. You will need Prism Central version 7.5 and also AOS version 7.5. So these will work from 7.5 and newer. It will be available upon upgrading the software, so there's no additional features that you need to do. Just once you've upgraded, the drop-down menu for mapping the containers will automatically be there. Cross-cluster live migration as a feature itself for AHV is included in the Pro or Ultimate software versions, and this feature is just for AHV hypervisor. Thanks for listening in and learning a bit more about updates to cross-cluster live migrations and the ability to select the target storage container. Thank you.